outside to go, I go there especially. So I come across these two videos, two different people, one on national TV and one on other sister platform. Two different people saying the same thing concerning the Igbo race. I was like, is this a coincidence or is it a plan? I don't really understand. But I don't want to talk much. More just enjoy the vibes of these two videos. Two different people saying exactly the same thing in different locations and different time. Let us share the video, make it go viral. We'll move from it.
If the character of the demography of a community changes, there is hardly anything you can do. They will take over from you. It is just a matter of time. No matter the struggle, we can strategize and give them a portion. But they say they are going to be zero. It's a waste of time. And I'm an advocate of this thing for the past 30 years. Because I grew up with them. I went to school with them. I know their capability. I know their tendencies. I know their unity of purpose more than us. I know their focus. And I know they can defeat us if you are not careful. I am very sure. I don't have any doubt at all. What I can say, where they are predominant, let us leave it for them. You cannot defeat them. Even if you harass them, they are a lot more aggressive than us. I just saw some touts disturbing them. If they attack you, you are gone. Don't push them to the wall because they are not like us. Their own upbringing is fight to finish. They've gone through it before. So don't push them to the wall.
Conversation.
Good morning.
You are concerned about Igbos in Lagos and their properties, how they have lost so much, and what is the way forward? What do you think?
Yeah, you know, recent demolition of Igbo houses at Ablodo, Ajawe State, Alaba, Ladeko, some places in the Keja area, you know, and Debuta Meta is a wake-up call. Wake-up call, sensible one, sensitive one to the Igbos to think homegoing. Homegoing. For the Igbos to think homegoing. Yoruba man that has sold that land to you to build, doesn't he know that that place is on the wrong channel? Does he not know the ballet? Does he not know the Ministry of Environment at Alausa Secretariat? That place, the master plan says is out of what question? Trespassing. That place is trespassing. And they say sold the land to you. We got the wine up.